So now come to question number 4, exercise 2, phase 1, circle chapter. A circle of radius 5. So radius is given 5, has its center on the negative x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. So suppose circle is something like this. This is a minus h, 0 center, and it is passing through the point P 2, 3. And radius is given 5. So lot of information is given. So equation of circle can be written as x plus h whole square plus y square is equal to r square. R square is how much? 25. It is passing through this point. So we can calculate h. So 2 plus h whole square plus 9 is equal to 25. So 2 plus h whole square is equal to 16 is 4 square. So plus h is equal to plus minus 2. So h is equal to 0 or minus 4. So h is equal to 0 or minus. So this is plus minus 4. Not 2. Already I have taken square. So this is plus minus 4. So 2 plus h is equal to 4 or 2 plus h is equal to minus 4. So h is equal to 2 or h is equal to minus 6. Two possibilities are there. Now it is given it is negative side. So I will take h is equal to 2 because here I am only taking this is my positive. I am considering here h to be positive. So h is equal to 2. So equation of circle will be x plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 25. Now, the intercept made by the circle on the y-axis. On the y-axis, so x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4 minus 25 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So y-intercept is either you can put here x equal to 0, by that you will get, or y-intercept is 2 under root of f square minus c. This is the y-intercept. Two under root of f square minus c. So in this case, g is equal to 2, f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 21. Put the value. So answer will be 2 under root of 0 minus plus 21. So this will be the 2 under root 21. So option number B is correct. So thank you.